Hi guys, this is Smart Money. Welcome back to another video of Hamster Kombat Daily Combo. In this site, I will reveal to you the 3 hidden cards of today, June 29th, so you can earn 5 million coins. Before we start, I ask you to click the subscribe button and active the notification bell for Receive Notify so you will not miss any new video. Click as always the Daily Combo section and go to the PR and Team category to find the first hidden card. Scroll down and search the Blocking Suspicious Account card. This is the first hidden card. Congratulations! The second card is in the same category, so search Compliance Officer card. So click it and buy it or upgrade it. The last card is in the Specials section. Search New Cards or My Cards to find it. I already bought it, so I will go to My Cards and click on the We Have 25 Million Subscribers cards. These are the 3 hidden cards of June 29th. We will see in the next video. Bye.